So now let us begin with the Smart Home IT project, which is done with the help of Cisco Packet Tracer tool. Now, in this there are the two types of the views, that is the logical view and the physical view, and right now we are operating in the physical view. Now, the parameters which is chosen for this view is the real-time parameter because the time is continuously running in this parameter. This view is the aerial view of the city, and if we try to zoom in, we can see the actual building or the main city. Now, if we try to see the main wiring of the inside the building, we need to zoom in, and here we can see that the various type of the IT devices are grouped together. Now, in order to have a more clearer view, we can go to the logical setting, and here we can see that how the different IT devices are connected together with each other. Now we can see a home gateway and a smartphone. The home gateway is a device that is used to connect to the various IT devices and in order to monitor them. We can see a living room setting and our main exit, a lawn setting which consists of the lawn sprinkler, water drain and a water level monitor to note down the level of the water that is being sprinkled on the lawn, and a garage. The main exit consists of the webcam and the door. Whenever the person wants to enter through the door, the webcam will be on and the motion detector will sense the motion of the person entering through the door. The living room consists of the window and the air conditioner and the temperature monitor. Whenever the temperature will go below 15 degrees Celsius, the air conditioner will be turned off and the blower will be turned on. And whenever the temperature will rise, the air conditioner and the fan will automatically get turned on. So all these devices are connected with the help of our smartphone. Here is the garage, and in this garage we have used an old car. The old car is having the various type of the problem. So whenever the smoke is given out from the old car, the smoke it will be detected with the help of smoke detector, and as soon as the smoke is detected, the siren it will be turned on and it will turn into red. We also have a carbon monoxide detector and a garage door, the heating element and the fire monitor. Whenever the heating element will be turned on, the fire is detected by the fire monitor, and so the fire sprinkler will be turned on in order to put off the fire. Three devices are there on the roof, that is the solar panel, the wind turbine and the wind detector. So these all devices are connected to each other, and in turn they are connected to the home gateway, and the home gateway is connected to smartphone. Let us now observe the working of the water level monitor. Right now it is 30.92, which is above 21.5. So as I said, whenever the water level will be greater than 21.5, the water drainage system will be on and the water will be drained from the lawn so that the plants are saved from getting overwatered. So the lawn sprinkler is also on, and that's why the water level is rising, and when it will reach greater than 21.5, see, the water drainage system has started working. Right now it is also working. So this is the way in which these three systems are working together in collaboration with each other. If we see here the temperature of the temperature monitor, it is 0.03 degrees Celsius. So it means that the weather climate is cold, and that's why the blower is turned on. And the fan is turned off and the window is closed and the AC is also turned off. The devices, it can also be controlled with the help of this key. So when we will move the mouse pointer to the mobile phone, and then we will point to the desktop tab, and then we will go to the iOS monitor, this type of the screen gets opened. So in this screen we can see that the various type of the IT devices which is connected to the home gateway, like the wind detector, the air conditioner, the lamp, the blower, the door, all these IT devices are connected to each other. So we can control these devices from here also. Like, we can turn off the fan, turn the fan to the low state, or turn the fan to the high state. Similarly, we can control the settings of the lamp to the dim lamp or to the off. Similarly, we can control each and every object that is there. So now let us see the motion of the webcam. So right now the webcam is not sensing any motion and webcam is not able to see anything. That's why it is showing a black screen. The door is also in the lock state. Now let us see the working of these IoT devices in the way the smartphone is controlling them. So right now we can see that the door is in the lock state and it is indicated by the red sign, and the motion detector, it is also in the off state, and the webcam is also off because it is not displaying any type of the image. Now as we will do a motion in front of the motion detector by pressing the Alt key, we will see that the webcam is turned on and the motion detector has turned into the green sign, which means it is on and the door has opened. So it is able to sense the motion of the person who is entering through the door. We can also see the water level in the case of the water level monitor. It is right now 15.2. So when the water level will rise above 21.5, the drain system it will work and the water will be drained. So in the similar manner, the siren is connected to the smoke detector. So whenever the smoke is detected, the siren it will be turned on and it will trigger the smoke. And whenever the smoke is detected by the smoke detector, the carbon monoxide detector it will be turned on and it will give a signal to the siren. So that's why it will start blinking. So let us see the working of these IoT devices. So we can interact with these IoT devices by pressing the Alt key. So if I move my mouse pointer in front of the window and press my Alt key, the window gets opened. Similarly, I can change the settings of the fan to the high and low with the help of the Alt key. Similarly, the blower it can be turned to the high or to the low or medium, and the light it can be switched to the dim light or bright light with the help of Alt key. Now let us check the motion of this motion detector and how this door works. So if I move my mouse in front of the motion detector, the door lock gets unlocked. See, you can see this green symbol which means that the door is open and the motion detector is able to sense the motion of the person who is entering through the door. Here we can see that how the siren is working on detecting the smoke. The siren is turned on and it is blinking, which means that the smoke is detected by the siren. We can also see the fire sprinkler. It is sprinkling water because the heating element is brought close to the fire monitor and the fire monitor is able to detect a fire.